On today's episode, we are installing tow hooks on the track car. This episode is in partnership with AWR. So we got these parts from them. We have a discount code with them. It's NAPPMOTO, so you can get these at 10% off if you go to their website and use that when you're checking out. Before we get to installing these tow hooks, I want to cover why you might need them. So going to different tracks, and there might be different tech rules or requirements depending upon the track. Another reason might be a specific class that you're racing in or series that would require them as well. So that's why you might want to install them. Obviously, there's a lot of street cred that comes along with this mod as well, especially if your tow hooks are red, like Stefan's, mine's, and Cam's. What up? But in all seriousness, that's really why we're installing them on the car. None of us have any experience with tow straps. It seems like the hooks are more universal, whereas the straps might be a little more regulated. Not positive there. The other thing to note, these are being installed on a Miata in an area that already has what looks like tow hooks. So why are we adding these? Or what are those things? Those are nicknamed baby teeth. And what they are is they're basically the old tie-down areas for when the Miatas were being transported. You can hold on to these if you'd like. If you want to use them for trailering your Miata around, you can remove a tow hook, use those. You have a bunch of other ways you can tie your car down. You can always go through the wheels. That's Stefan's method. He really likes doing that. Other people don't really like that method because they think it's going to throw their alignment out of whack. Do what you think is best. Don't think that they don't come coated or without color. We requested this specifically. They are zinc coated. And this is just what the track car committee wanted for this car.
All in favor?
Aye! We're going raw with a lot of parts, just because it's cool. So let's get them on the car. Now, first step is taking off the baby teeth. What we're gonna do is just take a 14 mil and an impact to make this super easy. Love this tool. Stefan basically got me turned on to these like little impacts for jobs like this. Makes things so much easier. That's not what you expect every day. Captured nut coming out like that, but we got it out. This front tow hook can go on either side, so because this is now down to just 2 bolts, we'll put it on the driver's side, and you want to reuse the hardware that comes on it. There's no reason not to. It's all still good, so we'll just reuse those bolts and install this. All right, here we are underneath the back of the car, and this tow hook does have a side. This is going on the driver's side. I really like this design. It goes into all 4 bolt holes back here. The one that I've actually used in the past, it wasn't this obvious. It took me a little while to figure out and only went into 2 of the 4. Also, something else to note, people back here will often use some of these bolt holes as areas to connect a hitch and tow like tires and other things to track days. And that's all there really is to it. This is a super easy mod that you can do on your car in an hour at most. Obviously, it's even easier here without no bumpers, already up in the air. I almost like these mods the most because it's that instant gratification, because I'm such a millennial. The other thing to note is these baby teeth are pretty heavy. Every pound you can save on these cars matter, so it might just be worth someone taking these off, even if you're not replacing them with tow hooks. Really what our goal here is with this track car build is a series that anyone can do at their home. And it's kind of what I think many Miata owners dream of doing, and nothing unrealistic that most people can do. We're just trying to go through, document everything, and show everyone, what kind of budget we end up with and how easy it can be for, just you and a few friends to put something together for the track and rip around on. Comments down below if you have any experience with tow hooks or tow straps, especially tow straps. None of us here have had tow straps before, so it's a little bit of an area that we're not too familiar with. But yeah, stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching. On today's run down the wrong